I found the ISPE pre-PAI training program to be incredibly helpful, not just for me, but for my entire organization.
The brief was to develop a customized training program to prepare them for a pre-approval inspection by FDA. I worked cooperatively with the client to produce an outline training proposal meeting the objectives. Presentation material was derived from many sources and was customized for the client. Material for each session was reviewed by and agreed with the client, with many good suggestions being given by the client's leaders, who knew their people well. Feedback from the client was very positive and complimentary.
During our time together, we learned about the drug development process, scale-up and preparation for launch, and the new drug approval submission process. Best of all, we had lots of opportunities to practice our learnings along the way.